Hi, it's Amy with WTI. And if you're like me and appreciate products that enhance safety and look kind of cute at the same time, this is something you'll want to consider. This high visibility vest is so important to have for work sites, surveyors, riding your bike, or being in any traffic areas that you need to be seen. It comes with these grippy gloves too. I love that this isn't your ordinary vest. This one is designed in a way that is tailored to a woman, and this added pink is adorable. I mean, this one gets the job done, but look how much better this looks. Yes. I'm 5'5" and I wear small jackets. This is a medium vest and it's a great size for me so I can layer up if I need to. I'm impressed with the quality of the stitching and the material used. All the pockets, there's one for everything. So you have all the things you need with you. A place for your phone, pens, your ID card, gloves, and there's still more room. The reflective stripes are perfect for being seen with no problem at night. This in turn helps us to keep all our limbs intact. And I kind of want to keep, I like my arms and legs. So if you're in the market for a high visibility vest, this one I personally love, and that's my point of view.